Hello traders, Vladimir here from Home Trader Club, and in this video the oil, down to where the bearish control could continue and where the buyers are expected to take the control from. Let's begin. Before we begin, big thanks and thumbs up to 8K Broker for supporting our community to enjoy all the amazing offers we have with 8K Broker, including the access to Home Trader Club up to 1 year, the private mentoring sessions, and the access to our live trading room. Take a look on the link below this video in the description. On the recent weekly forecast, I shared with you my opinion that the pullbacks we will experience here will push the oil prices to the downside. As we can see, the oil followed our trading plan and delivered beautiful continuation after this bounce and the range breakout. The question is what's next. So to be honest, it went beyond what I expected. As you remember, I was talking about this expanding channel. For me, the plan was to reach this zone, then potentially daily demand level. So now it went beyond this level. So the question is down to where. And if we take a look on a daily chart, we are now in a key zone or next to the key zone. How do we classify that? On the previous downtrend, if we connect the lower highs, lower lows with the higher highs, higher lows of this uptrend, and we will put together the recent lows in test, right? That's what creates for us the areas where the buyers took control from. And right now, this zone is about to be retested. If we drop to the 4-hour chart, it starts to show and look like that we might see these waves forming here, some divergence to build up, and then some buys. So on the short term, I believe oil has more to offer to the downside. But as the demand area on a daily chart is about to be reached, I believe that these waves, as soon as we start to see these lows, and we will very likely build a bullish divergence condition inside that daily demand area. Lower lows on the chart, higher lows on the MACD indicator, potentially also, of course, the RSI, will create for us bullish divergence. Again, inside the demand area, where the buyers already proved to be interested at a zone not even once. So I believe that this sell that we are riding is coming to the end, and as soon as we get this formation and attempts to push it lower, that's where we should be looking for short-term buys. What would be your view on the oil and how would you expect this one to move? Let me know in the comment section below this video. Thanks for your time watching this video. I hope you find value in it. Please hit the like button if yes, and please consider to subscribe to our channel if you are new to this one. Also, I want to invite you to our trading family, the Home Trader Club, where you can enjoy our comprehensive, complete trading courses, real-time trading education, and real-time trading opportunities. Join our family with the link below this video in the description, or with the offers we have with 8K Broker, again, with the link below this video in the description. Meanwhile, best to you and yours. Good trading. I'll see you soon with more. Bye for now.